For this training video, we will learn how to make special features which is sweep, loft, and wrap. So using these commands, we will be able to draw, for example, these parts. So we could not draw these parts in a regular extrude and cut or revolve command. So we have to use or learn how to make a sweep, a loft, and a wrap uh, feature in SolidWorks. Okay, so to start, we will be able to draw the mug and different kinds of springs, which is the constant spring and the variable pitch spring. Okay, to start, we will use this PDF in order to learn how to perform these features. So this is a small preview or a quick preview of our first example, which is the mug. So we have to revolve, create path, auxiliary plane, create profile path, then make a handle out of swept and cut. So first is we have to open a sketch, and for the first feature we will create a revolve feature using the thin feature options. This makes a feature with specified thickness based on the sketch that was drawn. So on the front plane, we have to draw this sketch. So we have to draw a line, an arc, and another line. Okay, so let's open SolidWorks part. Then once you open that, so this is the dimension is in, okay, it's in inches. Okay, so make sure you are in IPS, inch pound second. Okay, normal to front plane, sketch, then create a center line, F, hit the screen. Then we have to create a line which is 3.5 and 4. Okay, so let's draw a line. Smart dimension. When I put dimension here is 1.45, but if you make it extended out to the other side, you're able to extend the dimensions 3.5. Then it's 4, and you have to make a fillet which is 2.5 as stated in the example. Cancel twice. Sorry, it's 0.25. So SolidWorks will know if the dimension you are entering is wrong. So we have to make fillet which is 0.25. Okay, so once done, let's go to the revolve boss base command. We get a warning telling us about the sketch being open since you want a thin revolve feature. So we have to select no. Okay, so thickness is 316. So let's go to the would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? No, because we want it to be open. So the thin feature will be activated. Then 316, you specify 316, and there's a thickness specified. So once we have that, you will have this mag look like this. Okay, alright. So This is the mag, initial mag. So this is how the revolve works. Then select the front plane and create the following sketch using an ellipse. Be sure to add vertical geometric relations to top and bottom points of the ellipse. To select the ellipse, let's go to the sketch tools and select ellipse. Okay, so we have to perform this by using the ellipse command. So let's go again to the front plane since we want to draw in this plane. Then ellipse. So where we'll be put the dimensions, this one. Then just extend the line here. Then once you project that similar shape of the ellipse, then we have to make dimensions. So the dimensions from the center is 2 from the origin. So we have to project 2, then 2 again, then 3. The ellipse is 3 inches long. Then for the last dimension is 1.375. 1 point, so point that 1.375. Notice it's not yet fully defined. So let's see what is wrong. Okay, there you go. Now it's fully defined because this is one already horizontal. So once finished, this will be exit, and we will rename it as the path. So we will use this for the sweep. Okay. Next is once we rename it, you rename it to path. Then next is we will make a plane on the right plane. So we have to make a plane in order for us to draw this profile. Okay, so I will be performing a different approach. So let's see. So as stated in my previous YouTube video, this is how to make a plane. First the point and the ellipse where it intersects and you have the plane. Then sketch. Then we have to make another ellipse again. Okay. So let's see the dimensions. 0.75 by 3.375. 0.75 by 0.375. We notice that the sketch is not yet defined. So let's click the point and hit the control in the keyboard. Then the one that should come out should be pierce. So click the point, escape, point, line, and pierce. Once you have your pierce, then we have to make it horizontally aligned. And there you go. We have the sketch and it is fully defined. Then exit the sketch. Then this will be saved as your profile. Profile. Okay. Then select sweep, select the profile and the path. Okay. There you go. You have already the handle for the mag. Okay, so your job is not yet finished because there's a excess part in here. So we have to cut it out. So once we are done with that, okay. So notice that the sweep is also inside the cap. this one. So we will make a cut. So out of the extrude cut, we have to convert entities and up to next. Okay. So sketch, select convert entities, hide this one. You have to select this plane here, then convert entities, then extrude cut, select up to next. As you can see, there's a preview here, and there you go. The excess handle is already cut. So I will have to hide this one. Okay. Then we have to make the mag, this side of the mag to have a fillet because that is too sharp. So we have to select full round fillet, which is the phase 1, phase 2, and the phase 3. Okay, so we have to make full round fillet. So you notice the color blue, purple, and pink, full round fillet. Okay, so let's select the fillet, then select the full round fillet feature. So you have to make it in sequence 1, select this box, 2, then select this box, 3. Then you have your full round fillet. Okay, there you go. Then we have to make a fillet in the handle to make it stronger. We're using 0.25 inch fillet, 1/4 inch. So just model it. Then select again the command fillet. Now use the content size fillet or face fillet or the constant radius. So using the constant radius, change the dimensions to 0.25. Then there you go. You have your fillet. Then once you have that, the mag or the cap is already finished. So we have to save it. So save. So save it. If you want to specify the material here,